Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. For today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to write a blog and where you can post it. Writing a blog is a great way to express your ideas, share knowledge, and connect with others. First, choose a topic. Pick something you're passionate about or have expertise in a topic. Second, make your research, gather information and insights on your topic. Look for statistics, quotes, or stories to enhance your content. Third, create an outline. Structure your blog with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. List the main point you want to cover. Fourth, write the draft. Start with an engaging introduction to hook your readers. Develop each point in the body with clear and concise language. Fifth, edit and review. Review your draft for clarity, grammar, and flow. Consider getting feedback from a friend or using online editing tools. Next, you can optimize your blog for SEO by using keywords relevant to your topic to improve visibility to search engines. You can add visuals and ensure you have the right to use any visuals you can include. Next, write a compelling conclusion. Now, as for the last step, proofread. Check for typos and grammatical errors one last time. Once you're done writing your blog, let's move on where you can post it. There are different platforms that you can use, such as WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix, to create your own blog site. You can also use LinkedIn, which is great for professional content, especially if your blog is career oriented. You can research for the platform that suits your taste. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how to videos.